Hello, wonderful LFs. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your weighted categories in PowerSchool. Our first step is going to be to capture a screenshot of our categories so that we don't have to keep flipping around. We're going to put this over on my right side outside of my browser window and make it a little bigger for my poor eyesight. I'm going to go to PowerTeacher Pro and click the Create button and create a category. This we've seen before. Select the class. Now I don't have an advisory, so I'm going to use my Mod 6 class for the example class. Now you noticed I've selected both semesters, that way I can add the categories to both at the same time. I'm going to add the category name just as was given to me. I could add a description. I could also have a default, so all assignments that would get created would be created with these initial defaults. This doesn't affect the percentage of the category itself, just the assignments that you create in this category. You can see the existing categories that are there. We're going to save this and we'll continue on and create the remainder of the categories. You'll notice here that our category name is too long, so we have to abbreviate it. In general, to make things consistent, we should probably make sure that we're starting off with consistent category names, but for now we're just going to go with whatever will fit. Okay, now we're going to add the weights to the categories. So this is a different step altogether. We're going to go to the settings, the gear icon on the left. We're going to select traditional grade calculations, and now we're going to select a period to add the weighting in. So this was the wrong class, so I got to make sure I'm in the right class. So my first category, I'll select category weighting, then I'll select the correct category, which is literacy development. And then I'll add my weight, which is 10% or 2/20. Then I click the plus icon on the right there to add another category. And I repeat this process for each category I added previously. So civic engagement's also 2/20. You could enter percentages there straight. Being a math person, I prefer to enter something different. You could also enter the percentage as a decimal number or as a whole number. What you're going to look at is a percent column is going to be automatically totaling up the percentage. This means in theory you could add another category and have it adjust percentages on the fly. Once I get them all in, you'll see that my percentages work out correctly. There we go, we should have another 2. And then you see all the percentages are correct and we can save this. Now, unfortunately, that added the categories for the semester, but it did not add them for each progress reporting period. So next, we're going to see how to deal with that. Last year, we had to do each of these reporting periods individually. They've added a copy function for us. So we'll go up to the gear option on the top and copy traditional grade calculations. And we're going to choose to copy them within a class. We'll pick our class, in your case the advisory class, and we're going to pick the reporting term as S1, and then we're going to copy that to each of the progress reporting terms. We have to hit validate and then copy. So there's 2 button presses there, and they're copied. Let's check and see if it worked. It did. The percentages are all correct. So that covers first semester. To get to second semester, we're going to go back to the gear icon. We're going to copy the grade calculations. We're going to do that to another class. We're going to pick the source semester, so semester 1, and then pick the class that we're pulling the grade calculations from. Then we'll pick the destination semester, and again we'll pick the class in the destination semester, and then we'll validate that, and you'll see that it copied all the progress reporting periods as well. So everything at this point is saved. And remember, there's 2 button presses, the validate and then the copy. Let's check. Yes, they're there. You can see at the top I'm on semester 2.